Like an unboxing. Oh, forget about that stuff. This is from angelus.com. I'm not gonna do only football stuff on my page. It's from angelusdirect.com. Shout out to them. They're a great place to get, stuff for shoe restorations, keeping your shoes clean. So I ordered this suede kit. I ordered some other stuff for accessories. The packaging wasn't great. It's a little messed up, but it's all good. My mom ripped it up when she got it because she was like, "What's in here?" I don't know. I guess she think I was ordering drugs or something. I don't know. So yeah. So that's that. And so I'm gonna open this up, y'all. If I do this one, Alright. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to put this down. Alright. So let it open. So we got a can of mink oil, waterproofing for use on leather, suede, nubuck, rough out vinyl and plastic. Got some professional shoe stretch. Stretches out your shoes, helps get out creases. Got, you gotta have the easy cleaner. This is actually good for cleats too. All the scuffs that you're gonna get on your cleats. This is a really great product to use for your cleats and all that. Then next we got, that's my little brother right there. Run out the house. Got water and stain repellent. Keeps water and stains off your shoes. Spray it on there. Got some paint brushes, so I'm gonna be painting some shoes. So gotta get those. Then I got the Angelus brush. Great cleaning brush. I think it's horse. No, this ain't horsehair. Then I got this nubuck and suede kit. Yeah, cause I got some suede shoes right here. And I got some other suede shoes. Got these Air Force ones. They need to be cleaned up. And yeah, that's it, y'all. So thanks for watching the video. I ain't getting a lot of views and subscribers and all that, but please help me out and like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Peace out, y'all.